Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pepe coin. Over 30 million US dollars have been pumped into Pepe coin within the past 2 days. People are really buying this coin because this coin right now is the hottest memo coin, hitting over 1000% within the past 3 weeks and over 5,000% within the past 7 weeks. This is amazing. Now, this coin have also been listed on Binance, on Kucoin, most top exchange that have already been listed. This is the memo coin. Just launched. It was launched about 2 months ago, and already Binance have listed Pepe coin. This is amazing. Now, for me, I think that yes, this is definitely going to rise, it's going to pump. I believe we are expecting 100,000 to 1 million% between now and 2025. The coin is already heading towards 6,000%. And I'm happy that this coin is really doing well. People are pumping in money. Over $630 million market cap with a trading volume of over 400 million on a daily basis. As of 2 days ago, the trading volume was about 500 million, and as of today, it's about $240 million trading volume in just a single day. Pepe coin is trading right now, and it's one of the trading coin right now, and I believe, let's keep hoping that this coin will definitely become the new Shiba Inu. This coin will definitely become the new coin that will be hitting every day, hitting over 500 to 700% every month. That's because Shiba Inu did it back in 2020 and 2021. So let's hope for the best. But remember, whatever you want to invest or buy what you can afford to lose. And for me, like I said, this video is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision. Pepe coin to the moon.